Hey guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice. My personal opinion. Let's wrap up the market early today. It's just being boring. Absolutely unvolumed spring. Right place of the day, a little bit too deep. Month is very weird. So powerful. Too much of the volume for a correction. Volume, middle, the end. The end. $4 for Nike. People stop wearing shoes. Yeah, this volume is weird as well. No, this volume is not. No, it is weird. Again, look, it's absolutely. It's like too big. Did we not have this conversation already? It's got to be bigger than average, but it should not be too big. AKA this volume also in 0.5 is like, yay, buy it. No stop loss. Stop loss, and then it doesn't go. So very nice. Nike wants to go. Is a miracle for me. This doesn't look like a correction. Yeah, doesn't mean that I cannot do like short trades. And see, like it's stuck in this massacre. It accumulates just fine, but again, this volume, none of this looks good. Same here. This splash of volume is not enough. It's not that biggest volume. So needs a spring anyways, and test. Again, all this volume, look, like why? That would be cool if this was the biggest volume in the correction, but why is it the biggest volume? Technically, there was the level here, so like spring, test, good to buy after test. Realistically, Pfizer looks like it exhausts, at least for this. Yeah, no. I mean, I feel alright about Pfizer in general. It's in 0.5 of a 15-year trend impulse. A little bit steep. It's the nature of short. Going all the way here. Wow. That will be dramatic. That will be dramatic. Trade I didn't take from here. Spring test to R the next morning. But didn't take it. That would need a test. Yeah, market corrects. Market is in correction. Market is in correction. Strength and weakness. Strength and... Oh, that doesn't look like weakness a lot, but still strength. Yeah. Strength, weakness. Market's correct. Badoosh. Interesting. Interesting. Oh. Block is breaking this level. Chewing. It manipulated it here and then showed it up. Price just goes lower. Nothing holds on Fuzzy. Ay. A premature entry. There was no construction here. If I waited, yeah, I would not have added to my position. And that's like just such an obvious mistake. Such an obvious mistake. With this volume, stay away. Yeah, was carried away by the moment. Don't do it again. Mishka. Fjord just did its move. Boot will move in 0.5. I'm not gonna buy from here. Also now, like, this volume is like concerning again. Like, what the heck? Why is it so big? So volume, weakness, volume, still weakness, but why is this so big? Volume. Yeah, no, it all looks good. I think it can go from here. I think it can go from here. Fjord is looking good. Fjord is looking strong. Yeah. If it makes a test level here and like boom. That's doable, but so stretched. That's weird. This is weird. Fjord, Tegaka, Nike, we just took a look. That needs a test. Yeah, that's a break, so never mind. Never mind. THI. Just idling, accumulating. IBM made it smooth. Made it smooth. Yeah. FedEx. Strengths, weakness, strengths, weakness. It's ridiculous what it did. It's just ridiculous. Let's get ridiculous. This break is like laughable. Technically still a break, but practically stay away. How was the test? You are not from here. It's a break. There's no this thing anymore. So it's only a test level of this monster. Yup. Too high, but you know, short is steeper, sharper, faster. That's why it's called short. In case you didn't know. Yeah. That would be interesting. I can be the middle of this movement. So it's a daily watch now, right? And to the trade I didn't take. 2R. That would need a test now. Nvidia drops violently in the middle of nowhere. I have no idea why is it even on my radar. That's something I'm not gonna trade anytime soon. This thing has no mercy. Defying the logic against the common sense. Just flies around. Just flies around. Yeah. That's not the 21st. Catching falling knives. Everything is unvolumed. You know. Everything is unvolumed. Let's keep an eye. That's like too far before 0.5. It's nothing on monthly. Oracle is right there. Hurts my eyes. Volume distribution is still long. There is an alarming volume here, but it's not critical. But look where it is, like, nah. 30 bucks, please. Wake me up when Oracle is 30 bucks a share. That's how I go into my eternal torpor. You don't have to be like this. Yes, thank you. So this didn't work. There was a coincidence of levels, but then it didn't hold. Volume is good here, right here. And in the middle of the day, very trustworthy. You know what I mean? Yeah. So very trustworthy. But it's so high up there. So high. And then it looks good. A little bit too steep, too sharp, this volume and all of that, but you know. I wish I could fly over the rainbow so high. You guys remember that song? Oh, what a music video. Oh, it was hot. I was young. And innocent. No, I was not. Come on, Misha, don't lie to yourself. Bim, bim, bim. Oh, it's meta. Meta. I don't have much trust in meta at this level. Look at this. Just shouldn't set up myself like this. You know what I mean? Yeah, my problem is I don't know how to catch these movements at all. Look how yum, how yummy it was, and couldn't take it. This is good. Volume distribution is good. The whole thing is good. Biggest volume jump over creek. I don't think it's a real one, even though it very well might be. Yeah, it's not a good place on monthly, yearly. Okay. Okay. Volume distribution is okay. It's right there. 10, 10, 10, and again, and then again. Yeah, not a good place on 0.5, a little bit too low. Too low. Boom, and then it breaks. That's why we need to test. Here's a 2-bar spring and test. Not always, but a lot of times test can help. I don't think it's real. Is it real? Real, real. Da, da, da. It is a significant volume, but don't forget about March 21st phenomena. Yeah. This guy, 6 million versus like 2, so like 4 million extra volume. But yeah, take 10%. Still, yeah, it's here. None of this looks good. GM bounces of 0.5. Oh, and also, what happened in GM to begin with? Yeah, it bounced from this thing. So it was a transition extreme, but I kept the old charging. And anyhow, Vodafone XLF. Corrects the level, so it is this. It is this. Now, so maybe it's more like this. Yeah. Dollar tries to bounce. Volumes are great, but it's like too high on daily. Unrealistic. What you say sounds very unrealistic. That's a line from okay, let it be this, doesn't matter. Yeah. Slow corrected. And it's at the level right now, but so high. Above 0.5. In the break it's okay, but in neutral zone within the range, it's like This guy just bounces back and forth. No idea what to do with it. No idea what to do with it. IPG. Might go. Comcast breaks it. How often it wiggles out like this? Without this thing, it was like a perfect spring. Still, this volume was a little bit scary. Boom. Just look at this guy. Says bye-bye. Bye-bye, American Pie. Okay. Let's take a look at our heroes. What? 11%. Baboosh. Buddha Buddha Bush. Wow. Do 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 do. Can you hear that? Do 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 do. Someone is listening to good old rap. That is not a hip hop, guys. This is a rap. It was weird to have been grown in monoracial society where there were like rappers. I was more into like punk rock and then EDM, like cyberpunk and EDM later. But I had friends who were like into rap and then later into hip hop, listening to like Onyx, Public Enemy, Cypress Hill, you name it. All good stuff. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna retire for today. Nothing from Mishka. Look, after this, it didn't go. Didn't go. No volume. Volume died. Volume D-I-E-D. Like kaput. No more. No bueno. I don't believe you, mister. Hey, yeah, system. Da, 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 da. Hey, yo, system. Remember that one? Should learn the lyrics. I don't know the lyrics. Shame on me. Yeah, perfect 0.5, but maybe not. Maybe not with the volume distribution like this. Maybe not. Pfizer dies. For what it's worth, it dies. Look what it does on daily, just like disrespects, like violates brutally. This level just. Uy. Ay, 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 ay.